Hi, my name is Lisa T. Meyer, and this is Gifts to Students or Staff, Module 11 for EDL 854. For gifts to students, there are two different types. One is the fundraising incentive, and for this, it should only be for students participating or students that did participate and who have also met the criteria, whatever that may be. And the incentive needs to be paid for with the fundraising profits. However, you want to make sure that you're not spending all your profits on the incentives, that you are still making money. The other type is the special achievement gifts, and this would be for like academic awards, athletic banquets, things like that. And for this, it would be gifts and awards should be minimal in value. You again don't want to spend all your profits on gifts. The funding can come from many different places. Some examples of this would be the general funds, donations, PTO, or if it was the athletic banquet, you could use your athletic fund. Gifts to staff members. We have the special occasion gifts, which would be like baby showers, funerals, weddings, things like that. And for this in my school, we have something called the social committee, and so we have social dues. And the dues are anywhere between $15 to $20 per year per person, depending on what funds we still have left in our account from last year. In the book, they called it remembrance funds. And for these, the gift again should be reasonably priced. The funds are accumulated by annual dues. It said in the book that they should rotate committee membership yearly. With my school being a small school, we have a small staff. We're all part of the committee, and so there's no real rotation. We do meet, it said meet at least once a year. We meet at the very beginning of the year to kind of plan things that we know in advance, maybe Christmas party, things like that. And then we meet whenever else something comes up, if a wedding or baby shower comes up, then we go ahead and meet then to plan a gift. Fundraising incentive gifts for staff. This would be if staff participated in some sort of fundraising. And whether it be like t-shirt sales or something like that, and the gift could go to the highest seller. But again, you want your cost low. It should not be more than 5% of the overall profit. For all staff gifts, it should just be just like that. It should be for all staff. The funds may come from staff-funded fundraisers, PTO funds. The gift should be no more than $5 per person, and cash or gift cards should not be given because the individual receiving the gift could get taxed on that. Special efforts for specific students or staff members. This would be if there was a death or an illness, some special circumstance. Before you give any sort of gift or do a fundraiser, you should seek advice from the district accounting department. If you do give cash or cash equivalent gifts, again, it will be taxable. You should ask your PTO for funds of anything that you may need for that. Your local bank should be the one that is keeping track of all the funds for you, because the bookkeeper should not, since it's not really school related. Thank you for watching.